Hi everyone, my name is Alexandra. I'm a VBP educator, and if you're looking for a product to strengthen and give your natural nails like an extra boost of support, then you're in the right place. Keep on watching because I'm going to be sharing with you some few tips and tricks on how to grow out and have your nails looking flawless. If you want to strengthen and improve your natural nails, then rubber base is a perfect product for you.
I have to say, I have tried growing my nails out so many times and they get to a certain length and they break every single time. But as you can see, look how long they are, all thanks to rubber-based gel.
Beautiful.
Thank
the
you.
length is so nice and it feels so lightweight too, right?
Yeah, definitely. It just feels like a gel polish.
Yes. Haley, have you tried the Russian manicures?
I haven't, but they look so nice.
Oh my gosh. Well, rubber base is a perfect product for that. It gives it that like nice strength, stability, and aesthetic look. You have to try it for your next time.
Let's do it.
Yes. So if you're struggling with weak or brittle nails and you want something to give it that protective layer so you can grow them out really nicely, keep on watching because I'm going to show you how to apply it perfectly and quickly so you can get that long-lasting manicure. So I'm going to show you how to prep if you have weak, damaged, or really thin sensitive nails. So first you're going to want to go in with your cuticle pusher and just gently push back that cuticle. And then what I would suggest to you, instead of using a e-file, I'm going to go in with a VBP 180 buffer. And I'm just very lightly going over the natural nail plate and the cuticle area and de-shining that natural nail. And then I'm going to go in and wipe the nail off of any dust. And then I'm going to go in with your dehydrator and your super bond to get that maximum wear of the product.
So dehydrator first.
Dehydrator first and then super bond. And what's really good about this product, if you have weak or brittle nails, is that you can go in and fill it instead of soaking it off, and that helps protect your natural nail and preserves that length and strength a little bit longer. So I'm going to go in with a base coat and give it a thin layer from cuticle to free edge and give it a full 60-second cure. If you have weak or brittle nails, you might feel some heat after the first application, but it's totally okay. If it's too hot, you can take it out or give it a flash cure of 5 seconds and then put it back in for the full 60 seconds. I'm gonna go in with rubber base shade Pink Lemonade. It's a really pretty pink with kind of like an orangey undertone. It's really nice.
It's definitely pink lemonade.
Pink lemonade for sure. Perfect for the summer. And then after the slip layer, I'm not gonna cure it. I'm gonna go straight in with a little bead. And I'm just gonna drop it right underneath the cuticle, and in swiping motions, I'm just going to hover the product all the way down to the free edge.
That has to be the easiest application.
It's so quick.
It's even easier than just applying a polish.
It really is. And it gives you that nice protective layer on your natural nails. So if they're damaged and you want to grow them out, this is a perfect product for it. Then I'm going to go in with my liner S brush, and I'm just adding the product in as close to the sidewalls and the cuticles as I can to give it that clean, flawless, and aesthetic look. Never forgetting to cap the free edge. This product self-levels, so I really don't have to do anything. Remember to always cap the free edge to prevent any chipping or lifting. And since this product self-levels, I don't have to do anything else. I'm gonna let you go ahead and cure for the full 60 seconds. And that's it. She's gonna come out. I'm gonna add a top coat. You don't have to file, buff, seal, or anything like that. It's quick, durable, protective. And if you're wanting to find a product to help grow out and strengthen your natural nails, you found it. As always, you can finish off with top coat. You can add a gel polish on top of this or even a design. Today, I'm going to be using just a top coat and then curing that for the full 60 seconds. And then I'm going to finish it off with some cuticle oil. I love to use this cuticle oil because it just helps nourish and rehydrate that skin around. And I like to add it underneath to prevent curling and drying out of the natural nail plate. And it smells so good.
It does smell good.
Right? And there you have it. Those were my tips on how to strengthen your natural nails. And if you have any questions or any comments, make sure to drop them down below. We'll see you in the next video.